Hi guys, I wanted to come on and mention that I'm wearing the same outfit as I did in my previous video because I filmed this video all in one and then I divided it in two. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today I wanted to talk about a product that I've been enjoying. I just did a kind of favorites video the other day, things that I'm enjoying for the summer. I'll link that video and you can go watch it. And I never mentioned this product because I had just started using it a couple days ago and I don't wear makeup so much, so I did not mention it at all because I didn't wear it enough. And the product that I'm talking about, it is this CoverGirl Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist All Day Wear, and I found it in Walmart. I was looking for a setting spray because I usually use the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I've just been using a travel size and it was all gone, and I would have to wait until I go to Sioux Falls where there's a Sephora, and I haven't gotten the chance to order it online. So I walked around in Walmart looking for a setting spray, and setting sprays are spendy, I must tell you that, because this whole bottle is like, with tax it's probably like $9. I don't know if it's cheaper other places, but it's like $9. And again, it's from CoverGirl and it's called Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist All Day Wear. So basically it's a cooling mist, so you can walk with it and spray it on your face throughout the, you know, it's summertime and it's so hot, you can walk with this in your purse and I guess just mist it on your face, on your makeup, or whether or not you're wearing makeup, I guess you can just mist it on your face throughout the day. I wanted to mention that I kind of had a love-hate relationship with it because it felt good on my face, it set my makeup, but there was something about it that I couldn't figure out. I couldn't figure out what was wrong. So it's this deep. I lay down in my bed one night and I was like, what's wrong with that setting spray? I like it, it feels good, it doesn't break me out, and it feels so refreshing, and it does set my makeup. Not as good as the Urban Decay, but it does set my makeup. So what about it? And then it hit me, voila, it hit me that it was the spray, because it was the spray hole, you know, where you spray it through, because it comes out too much, it comes out like a mist. It said it is, so that's what was bothering me. It was coming out too much, and it's kind of like it was wetting my face too much. It was taking too long to dry, and when it dried down it felt like a baked powder, like when you bake down dirt or something. So it was too much for me. See, I sprayed it on my hand and it's running. I just sprayed one spray and it's running and it's still not dry. So because this was finished, my Urban Decay All Nighter, what I did, I just refilled this bottle from this, and this is what it wanted a spray bottle like this one. So I've been using the CoverGirl Outlast Active Spray from my All Nighter spray bottle, and it makes a big huge difference. Go on, it spray on my face so nice and just evenly and fine, so it dries quickly. Sometimes we use product and we feel like we don't like it, you know, we have a love-hate relationship with a product. That's what I like to say, a love-hate relationship, and that's what I had with this spraying from this bottle. But now that I'm spraying from this bottle, I love it. So this just goes to say, sometimes you have a product and you use it and you can't decide whether or not you like it, because you feel like it don't break you out and it don't do the world of injustice to you, but it also doesn't do good, and you know there's product out there that can do better, or you know that it has the potential to do better. Sometimes it's just simple things. For example, in this situation, if you can see that bottle spray, like shiny, makes it look shiny, and you know that's gonna dry easily. And then this bottle spray, you see, wetty and runny. This one still that I sprayed still didn't run. This one is running. So it's just the bottle that's acting up. It's just a bottle that made me feel like I didn't really like the CoverGirl. So I would recommend this CoverGirl. It's in your local drugstore, so I'm pretty sure you can get it at any pharmacy, like your Dwayne Reed. You can get it at your Walgreens, you can get it at your CVS, any pharmacy, and definitely for sure at Walmart, because I've got it at Walmart. And it's like $8. Comparing to this, I think this one is $10, the travel size, and then about $30 for the regular full size. So if you don't have access to this, like I don't have access to this as much as I would like to, it's convenient to get this. And if you have a bottle like this because you're loving this, just throw it in this and spray it in this. The thing that's giving this a CoverGirl, I hope you guys see this video, the thing that's making this a bad product is just the bottle. It's just the way it's spray. It's, and like you guys said, it's a mist, so I guess you gave it like a mist spray. Just know that we girls use it for a setting spray, and it doesn't work good through this spray hole as a setting spray. It works better through something like this. So something like this, I just do like that, and look at that, my face is nice and misty. When I spray this one runs, and I feel like it makes my makeup run, and I feel like it kind of interrupt the makeup where you have to go in back with a brush. But spraying this one is helpful. So that's what I wanted to talk about, the CoverGirl Outlast Active. I don't know how new I just found it 2 weeks ago, and I've been using it, and I've been liking the result, but I just haven't liked the way it's been sprayed. One man said to me, just spray it in this bottle, because I love the way this bottle spray, and voila, I did it, and this is the perfect setting spray. I don't know if I even have to buy this anymore. As long as I have this bottle, I don't need this overnighter. I just need this in this bottle, and I can still mist this on during the days. If my face get real hot, I can mist it on and it's not gonna run down. But I feel like if I'm gonna carry this bottle is for when I'm not wearing makeup and I'm out on the street and I'm really hot and I want to spray this on my face. I just spray this on my face. Blotchy and gives a lot of water, so this can spray on your regular face, but I wouldn't recommend you spraying from this bottle on your makeup, because I feel like this like wash away the makeup, because it go on so firm, so it can wash away the makeup from the side. So yes, I love this. So you guys can give this a try if you're looking for a setting spray that's like $8. So drugstore setting spray that's all access, and it's like cheap, less than $10. I say give this a go. But if you have a setting spray that you love the way the bottle spray, throw some in that bottle that spray better, or you just have to hold this far away from your face, which can be an inconvenience. So yeah, drugstore CoverGirl new Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist. It's a go. I definitely recommend this. This sets your makeup really good, but I do not recommend it being sprayed from this bottle. I hate the way it's sprayed. And if you buy it, you can spray it from this bottle and let me know. Comment below and let me know, or if you have it spray from this bottle, and let me know the difference that you noticed. But if all else fail and you have a Urban Decay all-nighter, spray it from this bottle. Just throw some in this bottle and spray it from this bottle, and voila, you have your nice setting spray. And I hope you guys check out my video for my eyeshadow that I just did. Loving the makeup, loving the lipstick and everything. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video real soon. Mwah.